Hello there again. My name's Jiao. I'm the exhibition manager of Build Your House exhibition. Time has flown by since the last time I invited all of you to visit us. Can you believe our next edition is only in 10 days from now? That's right. BYH 2022, the third edition, is taking place on 28th to 30th March, once again in QNCC, to welcome all the citizens of Qatar to meet 150 exhibitors from the residential design and building industry, all under one roof. This is your once-a-year chance to speak to the best consultants, contractors, and suppliers in the country face-to-face, checking out their latest products and services, and receive the best promotional offer. Want to build your dream house today? Register now at our website for free. See you soon!